Ask Tom on Home Show.
Jason from Park Road, Texas has a question about some window rot.
Yeah, he spotted this going on out. Somebody's up working on his roof, Tom.
Okay.
Yeah, he says, Jason writes, while we were doing some roof repair, I noticed the framing around one of my windows on the second floor. It looked like it was rotting away. That's not looking. It is.
No, he's got it right.
He's got it right.
Pinpointed
He
it.
says,
yeah.
So he wants to know, Tom, who would you recommend for fixing this thing?
Well, that's a Rudy quality painting issue. That's not really a window. Let's get this straight. Those are fixed doors that are acting as light into the house, and it's a window, so to speak, but those are doors. So you got two options here. He's going to have to dismantle that whole thing because that's a jam. Those jams are all rotted at the bottom. So you could have the whole unit made from Door Clearance Center, a new unit like that, with fiberglass frame and fiberglass doors, which will be fixed. So they'll be windows, and have the whole unit put in, and it's just never going to give you problems again. Or you could have him dismantle it, have him look at it first and poke around to see how much work is involved. But he'll have to take the whole thing apart and rebuild all the frame and then reset those doors in the opening, and they'll be nailed and stuff if he can even get it apart. I think if you can do it, and I don't know, I'm looking at the labor with Rudy and all the work he has to go through to buying the whole unit and just having him take the old one out and pop the new one in. I have a feeling it's going to be a wash. So you might end up considering Door Clearance Center, get the unit made. You can call Rudy first to make sure he comes out and takes a good look, because I'm only looking at a picture, and see if that's an option for you. But Rudy can do it for you.
All right. Now, if he's going to do that, he's going to have one that doesn't match.
Well, no, it looks like it's just painted, and you can get the French doors.
Mm-hmm. No, but I'm saying, I wonder if there are others on the house or other windows.
I don't know.
That are no longer going to match if he does.
And if that's the case, then those doors that thing's going to have to be dismantled and try to save the doors. But those kind of doors, even at Door Clearance Center, if the mullions look pretty standard, and I think that's going to be a 15 light, if I'm correct. So I think you'll probably, once it's painted, be able to match it. I don't think that's not a special order item. That's just a wood French door type divided light. I think it's a 15 light from what I'm looking at. Mm-hmm. I don't think it's going to be a big deal to find a new one. That painted will look just exactly like the rest of them.
I've just been through so many of these repairs.
I know you have. I've seen them.
Oh yeah, now it looks really nice over here, but it really makes the rest of it look like crap. So
that's true.
But Jason's going to probably be facing an exterior painting job on all his other woodwork to make him match the new door that's been painted.
That is going to probably be very true. Yes.
And you couldn't get a better guy than Rudy out there to help you with it. By the way, if you're looking for people in the Houston area to help you, we'll help you. Just go to HomeShowRadio.com, scroll up, and you'll see all of our pros right there. And if you know what you need but not who would do it, go here and you can search by what they do. We've got them searched by category as well. And if you want to get your questions here on our program, go back to the homepage, click on the blue Ask Tom button. You can send us a video. You can send it to us in writing. Love to hear from you. Love to take care of you. And I'll tell you what helps is when you send pictures like Jason did, it gives us a real clear idea of what you're up against. And we want to make sure we do a good job when we post this for you. Tom and I post these every day. Tom loves to answer questions, and I'm just, love pulling them together for you. So we do it every day. You'll find a new one on our YouTube channel and, of course, at HomeShowRadio.com.